Root regulator, plant and soil nutrients. Let's take a closer look. Always adjust your water pH to 6.0. Our amendment mixes contain key elements and microbial spawn to buffer pH levels. Adjust the pH of your water to 6.0 every time. pH balance is essential to every living organism. Mix it in your soil. Safe zone is complete, balanced nutrition for your plants and your soil, plus pest and disease control, pH buffering, and microbial inoculation. Prepare for transition, top dress and water. It's all about availability. Your plants need a constantly available supply of non-toxic, bioavailable nutrients to reach their full potential. Finish strong, top dress and water. This is not a bloom boost, this is a complete, balanced, soil rejuvenation with a healthy excess of primary, secondary and trace nutrients that promote robust flowering. 3 steps, seed to harvest. 1 Auto Perfect 3-part dry amendment kit sustains most short-season flowering plants in 5 to 7 gallon containers for the duration. Relax and let your plants do the growing. Root regulator is made by growers, for growers. Visit our website and connect with us on social media.